The complete removal guide for Logisticks Intermodal Wedge XL, the one-way solution for securing light to heavyweight loads in intermodal shipping containers. If present, remove the screws. Place a pry bar down into the center slot of the intermodal wedge and behind the beam. Pry the beam upward in small increments until it has cleared the retention clips. Use caution as the beam may eject with some force. Optional, use a forklift to slowly lift one side of the beam out of the wedge pocket. Use caution to not damage the freight. To remove the intermodal wedge XL from the wall, place a pry bar up into the removal slot at the bottom of the intermodal wedge. Apply slow and steady downward pressure to pry the intermodal wedge XL off the wall. If the brace doesn't come off with the intermodal wedge, place a pry bar down between the brace and the wall. Apply slow and steady outward pressure to pry off the wall. Use a cloth and, if needed, a scraper and a citrus-based adhesive remover to clean any remaining tape residue from the container walls.